Did you know that the giant waves of Nazaré, Portugal, are some of the biggest in the world? They can exceed 30 meters in height. The reason? A gigantic underwater canyon called the Nazaré Canyon. It channels and amplifies the power of the Atlantic Ocean, creating these impressive waves. This natural phenomenon attracts extreme surfers from all over the world, like the legendary Garrett McNamara, who in 2011 rode a wave over 23 meters and broke records. Surfers risk their lives challenging these waves, making Nazaré one of the most thrilling surfing destinations worldwide. The French surfers Clement Rosero and Justine Dupont claimed the Male and Female Performance Awards at the 2025 edition of the Tudor Nazaré Big Wave Challenge